guys. But my parents might be moving, and unfortunately this is where I keep my bike. So hopefully this won't be my last motovlog here, guys. Man, I remember when the speed limit on this road used to be 45 back in the day. Actually grew up around here. Used to ride the old bicycles back here. I gotta say, things look quite different. Oh, it's kind of bumpy there. Day for a ride. I was just gonna sit home and play video games all day like I've been doing. I remember having to dog it up that hill on a fucking bicycle. That part was a bitch. I feel like I was gonna say moped. Go right, cause I'm going left. Yeah, buddy. Well, fuck. That's cool.
6.5 hours, West Virginia now, half a mile from home and right. Thought that I'd gone far enough, I couldn't lose the trail. Then I stepped through the door and I still found a way.
going to be selling the house. At least they're trying to right now. So let me, I can do a little, if I can walk around in the house if you guys are interested. Here's my parents' house, by the way. Oh yeah. Alright, now as you guys have seen before, this is the garage. Gonna do a little walk around of the house now. And the much beloved bikey. Chilling here. 636 and it up. You know how it is. So anyway, let's take a look on the inside. So right here we got the laundry room. Doing a bit of that now. There's my switch. Alright, so I guess we'll start in this little hallway here. Got the 2 bedrooms and 1 bath down here. Getting ready to move, as you can see. Now this one time was my bedroom. So anyway, let's do the upstairs. Got the old dining room and check this out. Ooh, hey. So, here's the kitchen. Another little dining room sort of deal. Got the back porch. The backyard is the golf course, if you haven't seen already.
She starts again to wail. She says that moon has got so low tonight that it's polishing the rail. And mountain engines running about 30 years too late.
You're all sorts of slack right now. And I'm allergic to cats, so I don't normally hold her, so she's loving this. This is my parents' bedroom. Parents' bathroom. You need to help me here. You're just letting me do all the holding. I'm swinging out and everything. Alright, so we're going downstairs now. So as you can tell, well maybe not yet, but now as you can tell, my dad is a Packer fan. Indeed. You guys can probably get a better picture of the cat here in the bathroom. Here's the bedroom. Look at this little cute girl. I'll set you down, kitty. Good girl. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a nice little house here. You know. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed my videos. Heck, hope you enjoyed some Johnny Moto action.
I'll be back.